my sporting life by Harkin started around when I was 13. I was at Ballymena High School and my class had PE lessons at Ballymena Leisure Centre across the road from the school. Now we had to do swimming, but I never liked it, so I got a note from my parents to miss it. So there were other sports we could play in its place, and I liked snooker and short mat bowling. I was not bad at both of them. Now I played them for a couple of years at school. Then when I left school, when I was around 16 to 17, I was playing snooker with my brother in a club called Minnesota Snooker Club in Bridge Street in Ballymena. Now when I was playing, there was a member of the club watching me play, and when we were leaving, he asked me if I'd like to play for his team he was forming. I said yes, so he told me all about it. So he got 5 other members to form a team to play in the 4th division in Ballymena Snooker League. So come the start of the league, I was never out, but I played my first game and I won, so I was glad you only play one free game. So 6 members played one frame on 2 full-size snooker tables. Our team won the first match, so we play home and away games. We had a good team and we won many games that season to get promoted to 3rd division. At the same time I joined the local bowls club in Bucknell B team. We had 2 teams, Bucknell A and B, so I played bowls and snooker at the same time. Playing the snooker match first, then getting my dad to drive me to Bucknell Church Hall to play a bowls match for second half of bowls match. I enjoyed that. I was doing well at both sports. Now then at bowls, used to have a bowls partner. We played tournaments. At first we did not do well, but we got better and started doing well. In the bowls tournament you had to win about 5 matches or more to get through the finals nights, where you get prizes. Over the years me and my bowls partner would get through some tournaments. We'd win nice prizes like ornaments and crystal bowls and etc. We were hard to beat and we had beat some good bowls players. We had travelled far to some tournaments around Northern Ireland. Now with me playing both sports and working, I was under a lot of pressure and it affected my health. So I had to give up the snooker and I kept playing bowls, but then I started to suffer panic attacks. I had to give up the bowls as well. That was around 1997. I started suffering panic attacks. So I gave up all sports. That is my sporting life by Harkin. Thank you for watching. Bye.